Cedar only lasts about 15 years max if you don't take care of them, but 30 to 40 years if you stain it every other year. So this homeowner was wanting a solution that she didn't have to stain the deck anymore. Now, what we're gonna do is show you step by step how we're gonna solve that problem. This was an old cedar deck that had to be fully replaced with a new composite deck and aluminum railing. The biggest reason why we had to replace this deck is the stair was becoming unsafe, or the support posts, since they were buried in the ground, starting to rot out from underneath. As you see, on the edges start rotting. And if I can do this, you probably need a new deck. Step one, you gotta reboot the old deck. You gotta take the deck down, piece by piece, demolition, very messy. All the trash gonna put in the dumpster, and that get shipped into the junkyard. So step two, here's how we begin to add to a new deck. So at first point, you gotta inspect if they have flashing or not. So in this case, the last deck didn't have flashing, so we were gonna have to remove all of the siding. That's why we can properly flash the new deck. As you can see, on the old deck, water did get into there, and it caused some damages there. But we're gonna have to clean that area up, see if there's any wood we need to repair, and then we're gonna attach the new ledger onto it and waterproof it. Next step, attaching the new ledger. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean this area up, check on the house wrap, see anything that needs to be replaced on the house wrap, see how bad damages the wood behind is. If it's too damaged, we're gonna replace the wood that connects to the house. And then we put tape over, screw the ledger on, and from that point, we can start attaching the joists and temporarily frame up the outline of the deck. And we're gonna install Z flashing on top of the ledger, that the top part go underneath the siding, and the bottom part go over the top of the ledger, look like a Z. So then water, when it hit that Z, is gonna flow out inside your house, causing water damage. As the crew is doing the demo, what I'm doing here is going through the material that was delivered here on the project, making sure that we have everything needed, that nothing is short for the crew to be able to complete their job. So in this deck, the client chose Westbury railing. It's the Tuscany with a 2x2 post. Very clean, very elegant look. We use 2x12 beam, 2x12 stringer, and 2x10 joists. Cedar posts for support posts, and these are the fascia, the riser for the stair, and then a bunch of decking. So it looks like they have everything they need to complete the deck here. This is the deck, and the dumpster just show up. So now guys gonna move it over to the dumpster. This will get empty out as the project continue. This was a good choice of material because composite is it's got 25 years warranty on it with Fiberon, and you go with us, they allow this material to be warranty 5 year on the labor. And then the railing was a lifetime warranty railing. Aluminum doesn't rust. So in combination, this is a 25 plus year deck before they even thinking having to replace it at all. It's a good choice for the homeowner. As you can see, we have mold growing on the deck, and some of the mold start taking up the railings. It's just not the type of deck that the homeowner want to show off to their friends. So if you're a homeowner that's dealing with the same thing, here is the checklist that I want you to check off to achieve the same result. Number one, do your research on the contractor that you are going to hire. If they are not present on any big social media platform or on Google, they're not legit. Second thing, set up an interview with these people. See who can provide you the most value. And by value, I mean they gotta listen to your concern. Listen to what you want the deck in the first place. What do you want the deck to do for you? How is this space gonna help me hang out more outside? And last importantly, on the composite material, I would go with something that you don't have to worry ever about it again, especially on something like railing and decking, 25 year and plus on those materials. If you find this video helpful, hit subscribe. We're dropping a new video every single week. We help homeowners like you.